Xin chào.
Chào mọi người, vui gặp lại mọi người.
Tên tôi là Alicia.
Mình tên là Trang.
Đây là Alicia Learns Vietnamese.
Yeah.
Trang is back today for part 2 of our video series on vowels. So we already did all the A's last time. I'm going to be releasing one new video each week. So make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss any of the videos. 1 week should be about enough time to practice what you learned in the video. It's a lot of vocabulary to learn in just one lesson. Some of these will have up to 18 or even 24 vocabulary words, so you really shouldn't try to take on more than like 10 at a time. So we should give you enough time to get familiar with those words, practice them, practice listening with the tones, and also study the vocabulary. So I started this video series because I wasn't really happy with the resources that I found on learning Vietnamese vowel sounds. So with the help of Trang and some other friends, we put together a list of words with each Vietnamese vowel, but also that use each of the different tones. So you can start getting used to hearing those tones as well. And we really made an effort to use the most useful vocabulary, the most common words. Sometimes it was really hard to find a word with that vowel and the tone. So you'll see some of the words are maybe a little more advanced, but for the most part, they're the super basic everyday words that you'll need anyways. So I guess we can get started.
Yeah.
Today we're going to be doing the E's. So the first one is just regular E with no marks on it.
So the first E with no mark. So that's E, A, yeah. So with no tone, E like aim, yeah. Rising tone, E get. Down tone, bạ bè. So bạ bè. And like this, vẽ. It's like a wave, right?
Yeah,
Vẽ. And next, rè. So it's like that.
Yeah,
Rè, yeah. And the last, đẹp. So down.
low tone.
And next, E.
The
Oh,
E
you know.
with a hat.
Yeah, A with hat. So this E, A. So you can see the different A and A.
So the E with the hat's like a little bit softer maybe?
Yes, and I think maybe just a bit, so a bit rising, like A. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. This is a really hard one for me to distinguish, the two E's. I think it's a little more of a subtle difference than some of the other letters.
Yeah. So with no tone, like Jane. Yeah. Rising is đến.
Question.
Đến, yes, right. And down, mềm. Good. And dễ.
Good.
And có thể.
Có thể.
Yeah, thể.
Yeah, the TH is so difficult too.
I know.
That's for another episode on consonant clusters, but
Yeah. And the last, mệt. Good.
Mệt quá.
Mệt quá.
Mệt
Mỏi quá.
So tired.
Yeah, so that's E to E, right?
So, like we did in part 1 of the video, I'm going to ask Jen if she'll be kind enough to do the words again without me talking and repeating it, so that if you want to use this video as a resource, you can just skip ahead to that part and hear the correct pronunciation and practice it yourself. So we'll go back to the beginning and start off with our E's.
Yeah. Okay, so E is A, em, ghét, bạn bè, vẽ, rẻ, đẹp.
Em ghét bạn bè, vẽ rẻ, đẹp.
E with hat, so this E, A, right? So trên, đến, mềm, dễ, có thể, and make.
Trên, đến, mềm, dễ, có thể, and make.
Alright, so that's a whole lot of new vocabulary, a lot of studying to do. I know I need to practice the tones and practice the vowel sounds as well. So I'll let you guys do your studying. I'm going to be working on some flashcards as well for the vocabulary. So once that's ready, I'll post the link down in the description box. And I will see you guys and hopefully Jen next time.
Yeah, goodbye. See you again.
Tạm biệt.
Yeah.